We're going to try and diagnose a dishwasher that won't go beyond the fill cycle. It fills and then stops. So we've pulled the dishwasher out away from the wall. We disconnected the electricity, removed a 5/16 hose clamp nut, and pulled the hose out of the drain. And we've also removed the water supply line that goes to the dishwasher. Goes into the inlet valve right here, and that's a standard garden hose type fitting thread on that. We have it up on its side. You have the main washer motor over here, and the pump motor is over here on this side. So we're going to remove both of these pump motors, check them for any obstructions or debris, and then hook up 120 volt test lines to each and power them on and see if they're actually working like they're supposed to. If there's no issues with them working, then we'll trace the electrical supply backwards until we find out where the break in the current is at. You can see where it comes in there on the side and where this goes out. Pretty simple, straightforward. It looks clean. Connected 120 volts directly to those two terminals, and the motor kicked on just like it was supposed to. So after this test of the drain motor, we did a similar test on the main jet pump motor, and it tested good as well, which led us to believe the problem might be in the circuit board with one of the fuses. Checking the wiring diagrams and a little bit of internet research led me to find out that there's a fuse for the main pump motor located on the circuit board. There's actually two, one soldered in and the other one is a plug-in fuse, which I was able to purchase at an appliance store for $11. As you can see, it plugs right into the circuit board, snaps into place, and that's what allows power to flow through the circuit board to the main pump motor. Here we are reinstalling the circuit board behind this plastic cover plate, and this is something that you actually could have did with the dishwasher still installed in your cabinet. There's a couple of screws to take out to drop down that white panel and remove the circuit board, and you can do that all very easily while the dishwasher's in place. So if your problem is that the dishwasher powers up and then fills but won't go any further, there's a good chance that you've blown the fuse on the circuit board. And it's going to remove this plate here to get to it, which are two 5/16" screws, and then one screw here on the face plate of the frame of the dishwasher. Once you get that off, the little plastic box that contains the circuit board will tip forward on a little pivot type swinging deal and come right out. And you'll have like 5 little connector wires you got to squeeze and remove, and then the circuit board will be in your hand. You can use a voltmeter to check the condition of your fuse, and then order one at an appliance store or online and have your dishwasher back up and running in no time. I hope this tip was helpful. Thanks for watching.